A wonderful day, learners! Today is another exciting and fun-filled learning experience here in the world of science. Before we begin to our discussion, let us have a few reminders for this session. Number 1, focus to our topic. By focusing to your topic, it will give you more learnings and understanding of the topic that you study. Number 2, participate in the activity. It is more enjoyable and exciting if you participate in the activity. The more you participate, the more you learn. Lastly, number 3, be honest all the time. You will feel a pure success if you do our task honestly. Alright, learners, I know you are now equipped with the simple guidelines of our session today. Let us now start our discussion. Hello, learners! Here we go again for another fun-filled learning experience in Science 8. I expect that you will listen carefully as we go along in this lesson. Before we start our discussion, let us have a quick review of your past lesson. I will be giving you 15 seconds to comment your answer in the comment section below. Are you ready? Let us start. Number 1. What element is given in the electronic configuration above? Use your periodic table to find the answer. The timer starts now. Alright, time is up. The correct answer is Mg or magnesium. Number 2, what kind of element is used in core symbols? The timer starts now. Alright, time is up. The correct answer is noble gas. And for the last number, number 3, what subshell that has a maximum of 14 electrons in its shell? The timer starts now. Alright, the correct answer is F block or fundamental. Alright, learners, congratulations if you got all the correct answer. Now, learners, our objective for today's session is, at the end of this session, you will be able to explain the different trends of elements in the periodic table of elements. And lastly, describe the pattern used in periodic trends. Alright, learners, our topic for today is trends in periodic table. Okay, I have a question for you. What comes after your mind when you hear or read a word trends? Maybe you will say, Sir, trends means trends in fashion, Trends in foods? Or trends in memes? But in chemistry, trend has something to do with the specific patterns in the properties of chemical elements that are revealed in the periodic table of elements. Now class, in periodic table, there are 5 trends that you must remember. And these are metallic properties, atomic radius, ionization energy, electron affinity, and the last, electron negativity. Okay, before I discuss the trends, I will add some information regarding periodic table. The periodic table have 2 parts, the periods and the groups or family. The period is the group of elements that are placed in horizontal arrangement in the periodic table. And there are 7 periods in the periodic table. While the group or family in the elements that are placed in a vertical arrangement. There are 18 groups or family in the periodic table. Alright, let us now discuss the first trend in the periodic table. And this is the metallic properties. Metallic properties can be easily determined by means of classifying elements into metal or non-metal. Element which has 3 or less electrons in outer energy level, or also known as valence electron, are grouped as metals, while elements which has 5 or more outer electrons are considered as non-metals. Now the question is, what is the pattern in order to get the arrangement of element in an increasing metallic property in the periodic table? Now the pattern is this. For period, what you're going to do is to arrange the element in an increasing metallic property from right to left. For groups or family, top to bottom. Now, example. Arrange the following elements in an increasing metallic property. The elements are Ca, Be, Ra, Mg. Again, Ca, Be, Ra, Mg. Now, there are 3 steps in order to get the right answer. Step number 1, locate the given elements in the periodic table if it is in period or groups. Now, based on the given elements, the elements are located in this part. We have Ca, Be, Ra, and Mg. Now, it is belong in groups or family. Step number 2, after you locate, identify the necessary pattern in order to get the proper arrangement of elements. Now, the right pattern for this example is top to bottom. Next, step number 3, arrange the elements according to the pattern. Alright, if we're going to arrange the given elements, the first element will be Be, Mg, Ca, and the last is Ra because the pattern is top to bottom, and that is increasing metallic property. Now, another example. Arrange the following elements in an increasing metallic property. The given elements are As, Ca, Cr, and Ga. Now, do the same steps. First, locate the elements. So we have As, Ca, Cr, and Ga. Now, what part of the periodic table where the elements are located? Now, it is in the period. Next, the pattern used in period is right to left. Then, the answer for this is the first element will be As, Ga, Cr, and Ca. Alright, did you get the idea? Oh, I know you do. Now class, let us test your understanding by doing this simple activity. Please have your periodic table with you once you perform this activity. Are you ready? Let us start. Now, arrange the following in an increasing metallic property. The elements are In, B, Al, and Ga. You have 20 seconds to do this. And the timer starts now. Alright! Time is up! The correct answer is B, Al, Ga, and In. Atomic radius refers to the size of an atom. Atomic radius, the pattern is from period, right to left, and for the group, top to bottom. This is the same pattern with metallic property. The next pattern or the next periodic trend is ionization energy. Ionization energy refers to the amount of energy required to remove an electron from an atom. The pattern is this. For period, left to right, and for the group, bottom to top. Okay, the next trend is electron affinity. Electron affinity is the amount of energy released or absorbed when an electron is added to form a negative ion. The pattern for this trend is for period, left to right, and for the groups or family, bottom to top. Now, for the next trend or periodic trend is electronegativity. Electronegativity is the ability of an atom in a compound to attract electrons toward itself. The pattern will be for period, left to right, and for the groups or family, bottom to top. Now, those are the different trends in the periodic table. Now, there are some periodic trends that has the same pattern, and these are ionization energy, electron affinity, and electron negativity. And the pattern for these trends is for period left to right, and for the group bottom to top. The other trends or periodic trends with the same trends is metallic property and atomic radius. And the pattern will be for the period right to left, and for the group top to bottom. Alright class, to understand the lesson, here is the another summary of the periodic trends. Make a screenshot of it. Okay class, let us test your understanding by doing this simple test. Please comment in the comment section below of your best answer. You have 20 seconds to answer each item. Are you ready? Let us start. Number 1. Arrange the following in an increasing metallic property. The given is this: BE, B, F, and C. The timer starts now. Alright, time is up. The correct answer is F, C, B, and BE. Now, for number 2, arrange the following in an increasing atomic radius. And these are the elements: Pb, C, Si, and Ge. The timer starts now. Alright, time is up. The correct answer is C, Si, Ge, and Pb. Number 3, arrange the following in an increasing ionization energy. And these are the given elements: Na, K, and Li. The timer starts now. Alright, time is up. The correct answer is K, Na, and Li. For number 4, arrange the following in an increasing electron affinity. The timer starts now. Alright, time is up. The correct answer is AL, P, and CL. And for the last number, number 5, arrange the following in an increasing electron negativity. And these are the elements: NB, Ta, and V. The timer starts now. Alright, time is up. The correct answer is Ta, NB, and V. Alright learners, congratulations if you got all the correct answers. Alright learners, thank you very much for watching our session today. I hope you learned and enjoyed this session. Again, this is Mr. Rogelio Rivera, your science teacher. Take care and God bless.